Hi everyone, this is Palani. Today we are going to discuss about the river system or drainage system of India. Now coming to introduction, the origin and distribution of the main streams and their tributaries is known as drainage system or river system. India is one of such country in the world which have good number of rivers and tributaries which are helpful not only for agriculture but also transport system of the country. So, on the basis of its origin, the drainage system of India can be broadly divided into two categories: the Himalayan rivers, the peninsular rivers. The Himalayan rivers belongs to the three principles system: the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra. The Himalayan rivers are perennial. This is because the river are supplied on rainfall as well as the melting snow. So, next coming to Indus system. The Indus originate in the northern slope of the Kailas range in Tibet near Lake Manasarovar. It enters territory in Jammu and Kashmir. The main tributaries of the Indus in India are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej. So now look at the map. The blue line indicate in the Indus or the Sindhu river. Next, coming to the Ganga system. The Ganga has twin souths. The main one is the Gangotri glacier, where it is called the Bhagirathi. The other is the Sapatnath glacier, northwest of Badrinath, where it is called the Alakananda. The two join at Devaprayaga to form Ganga. So now look at the map. The blue line indicates the Ganga. Next, coming to the Brahmaputra. It known as Sampo in Tibet. The Brahmaputra rises from the Chamengdang glacier of the Kailas range near Manasarovar. It enters in Arunachal Pradesh in India. First has the Siang and then has the Dihang. Emerging into the Assam Valley, it is joined by two tributaries, the Bang and the Lohit. From here, the river is known as the Brahmaputra. Next, look at the map. The red line indicate in the map is called the Brahmaputra river. Next, the peninsular rivers. The major peninsular river system of the peninsular drainage are the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and Kaveri. All the peninsular rivers are non-perennial flow of water. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system. The source of this river is in the Riambak plateau near Nasik in Maharashtra and merge into Bay of Bengal. The peninsular rivers basis on the flowing two groups. The river of southern India can be grouped into west flowing rivers and the east flowing rivers. The west flowing rivers are Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapati. These are all rivers flow westward and join Bay of Bengal. Next, Arabian Sea. East flowing rivers. East flowing rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penna, Kaveri, etc. These are all rivers rises at Western Ghats, it flowing eastwards, finally it join Bay of Bengal. Thank you. If any questions, please feel free to contact me.